In the heart of the 19th century, a storm was brewing across the land of the free. The United States, a nation founded on the principles of life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, was shackled by an ugly, persistent institution, slavery. The year was 1831, and a man named Nat Turner, a slave in Virginia, would ignite a spark that would fan the flames of the abolitionist movement. His rebellion, though brutally suppressed, served as a grim reminder of the cruelty and inhumanity of the system. The crisis deepened, and the nation faced a moral dilemma. The North, with its burgeoning industries, relied heavily on the labor of enslaved Africans, while the South, the agricultural powerhouse, clung fiercely to the institution. The chasm between the two was widening, and the nation teetered on the brink of civil war. In the midst of this turmoil, arose a group of courageous individuals who dared to challenge the status quo. Men and women, both black and white, joined forces to demand an end to the injustice. Among them were Frederick Douglass, Sojourner Truth, and Harriet Tubman, names that would become synonymous with the fight for freedom. These abolitionists used their words and actions to expose the horrors of slavery, rallying public support and stirring the conscience of the nation. They organized meetings, wrote powerful tracts, and even risked their lives to rescue slaves, leading them north to freedom on the Underground Railroad. The tide of public opinion began to shift. In 1854, the Kansas-Nebraska Act, which allowed for the potential expansion of slavery into new territories, sparked a wave of outrage. The abolitionists, led by William Lloyd Garrison and Wendell Phillips, organized protests and rallies, demanding an end to the oppressive institution. In 1857, the Supreme Court handed down the Dred Scott decision, ruling that slaves were not citizens and could not sue in federal court. This decision was met with widespread condemnation, further fueling the abolitionist cause. The nation was in crisis, divided by the issue of slavery. The action would come in 1861, when Abraham Lincoln, a president elected on a platform of preserving the Union, found himself embroiled in a bitter, bloody civil war. The war would last for 4 long years, claiming the lives of over 600,000 Americans. But the cost was worth it. In 1865, with the Confederacy defeated and Lincoln assassinated, the 13th Amendment was passed, abolishing slavery in the United States. The victory was hard-won, the consequences profound. The abolition of slavery marked a turning point in American history, a step towards a more perfect union. The fight for freedom had been a long and arduous one, but the spirit of those brave abolitionists lived on, their legacy a testament to the power of courage, determination, and the unyielding pursuit of justice.